work in the morning, early in the morning. But who needs sleep when we're loving it up? Oh, and what I gotta do this the hard way. My body wants to be in arms, baby. Something I regret in the morning, but I just can't resist when you're calling. I got a bed, but I'd rather be yours tonight. I got a bed, but I'd rather be yours. That's what I said when I call you on the phone tonight. I got a bed, but I'd rather be yours. You know I sleep on the left side. If you sleep on the left side, I move to the right, yeah, I do it for you. And I got work in the morning, early in the morning. But who needs sleep when I'm rocking with you? And what I gotta do is the hard way. My body wants to be in arms, baby. Something I regret in the morning, but I just can't resist when you're calling.
Good morning, Flyers, and welcome back to the Early Bird. Alongside me, as always, is the man, Mr. Shea Curry.
You know the deal. Good morning.
We have a great show here today. Well, so let's not waste any more time and roll the intro. Welcome back to the Early Bird, and welcome back to school. Hope you had a great long weekend, even though there were plenty of reasons to guarantee that. Starting with the Red Sox, have now taken down the Rays and are moving on to the American Championship Series against either the Astros or the White Sox. Here's a highlight from Game 3.
There have been 7 walk-off homers by a catcher in postseason history. Do I hear number 8? Red Sox win it! Christian Vasquez doing his Carlton Fisk.
Another reason that you should be very excited for the weekend is that the Flyers had a blowout victory against Newton North at home. An absolute show last Friday night. Here is another highlight from that game.
Two? Oh my god, dude. Dude, come on, bro. Next.
Okay, now with an important PSA on plagiarism is our very own Tyler Garofalo. Coming up, we hear from you, but now we have the moment we've all been waiting for. Here in the studio with the pledge is Ryan Karate.
From California to the New York Island, from the
stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Karate. Anyways, Flyers, you know what time it is. It's time to hear our announcements. Let's kick it off to the podium.
Flyers girl varsity soccer is dressed up as Space Day today to play. What are we playing? I don't know. Brookline. Brookline, home game. Yep.
Switch.
That's all for today's episode of The Early Bird. Remember, if you want to watch this episode of The Early Bird or Flyer News again, as well as watch any show you missed, you can find that on our YouTube at Framingham High Studios. Now, I do not want to start a panic, but there is a real-life version of the popular Netflix show Squid Game currently being organized in Abu Dhabi. This is real. You can look it up after the show. If you're looking for some spare change or you just want some money, you better claim your spot early because the early bird gets the worm.
High. Hope my heart don't break too much when I wake from the way she touch. I'm so weak 'cause I can't get enough. You say that you love me. Oh, I never thought we'd be like that. I've been running in 1,000 tracks. You said that you love me. So why do you lie to me? Why do you lie to me? Why do you